Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to blow up a Ziploc bag like a balloon, but without using any of our air. For this experiment we're going to need a Ziploc bag, vinegar, tissue, a baking soda, measuring spoons, and a 1/4 cup measuring cup. First step is that we're going to get 2 spoonfuls of baking soda and put it onto the Kleenex, right in the center. 1, 2. Get that off to the side. Next, we're going to fold the Kleenex over. Into a little packet, like so. Then we'll get our Ziploc bag. Okay. And depending on how big you want the explosion, or depending on how big you want the Ziploc bag to get, it all depends on how much vinegar you put. I suggest putting 1/4 cup. Any more, who knows what will happen. So we're going to put a 1/4 cup. I'm using apple cider vinegar in this experiment. Then we'll put it inside of our bag, like so. And the next step, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to put our Kleenex with the baking soda inside the bag and Ziploc the bag as quickly as possible. And as we see, our Ziploc bag is pretty thin. And we're going to make it puff up. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our Kleenex, put it inside, and quickly zip it up. And 3, 2, 1. Look at it getting bigger. Maybe it'll pop. What's happening is that the vinegar is interacting with the baking soda, and inside the baking soda there's carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide is releasing and turning into a gas, expanding the Ziploc bag. I hope you enjoyed today's science video. See you next time.